WM, and presently we are in chapter number 6 and 7. We are covering all the objective questions. So follow the series completely. Okay, so let's start without wasting the time. The moratorium period in case of vehicle loans is generally considered as what? Okay, what is the moratorium? In home loans, what is the moratorium period? Okay, let me get it one by one. In home loans, what is the moratorium period? Everyone. Home loans. In home loans, the moratorium period is generally. Yesterday I have taken this. Type in the comment section, everyone. In home loans, what is the moratorium period? Yeah, it is 18 months, correct. In 18 months for new construction. In old houses, no moratorium. Directly disburse it, full amount, and take it. Okay, that's it. So, what is it in case of vehicle loans now? Vehicle loans. 6 months, 3 months, 2 months, and 1 month. So, what is it? There's actually, let me see in the comment section. What are you answering? Let me see your comments. Everyone. Yeah. 6 months, 3 months, 2 months, or 1 month. In case of vehicle loans, we are considering vehicle loans over here. So, answer fast. Yeah. It is. It is. Everyone, be fast. Yes. Let me see in the comment section. Yes. Vehicle loans, two-wheeler, car, personal, not personal, two-wheeler, car, all these, basically these two loans. So it is given as, let me see. Yes, it is. Actually, there is no moratorium period, but 1 month is considered as a moratorium period. Why? Because when we disburse it, after that, after 1 month, the customer starts repaying, right? That is the logic. So actually, there is no moratorium period. Okay, no moratorium period allowed for vehicle loans. But in an exam, if it comes and if we don't have the option of no moratorium, understand this, whatever I am saying. If there is an option of no moratorium period, you will write that. But if there is no option given of no moratorium period, don't get confused. It is 1 month. Okay. Next one. The repayment period in case of new car loans, new cars, is generally up to. So this repayment period for new cars is up to what? Again, let me see. Get it from you. I'll give you 1 minute to answer. Everyone. I'll give you 1 minute. Let's see. By the time I'll just tell you before, by the time you answer, say this, call the number given over here. On the screen you are seeing that number, that flashing number, call it. Join the paid batches. Okay. Yeah, very important. So, have you got it, everyone? What is the answer? New car loans. New car loans is 60 EMI, correct? 5 years. New car loans is always 5 years. New cars, huh? Now, vehicle loan, many of you get confused in vehicle loan. Vehicle means which vehicle are we talking of? We are talking of two-wheeler, we are talking of car, but we are not talking of commercial vehicle. Suppose truck loan, that is not considered as a vehicle. That is a commercial vehicle. Okay. So vehicle loan is separate. Got it? The repayment period in case of used car. Now look at this. We are talking of used car over here. In case of used cars is generally 36 EMI. What is 48 EMI? 60 EMI and 72 EMI. So it is used car, second hand car, right? So here that depends on what type of car you are purchasing. Suppose if I am purchasing very old car, okay, then the very old car, the repayment period will be different. It can be 24 months also, it can be 12 months also, depending on bank to bank. So it's upon the bank to decide what should be the repayment period for the used car loans, okay, depending on the life of that car. Okay, but generally for used car it is, everyone, what is the answer? Let me see what is the answer you guys are giving. It is, for used car it is 36 months. 36. Okay, for used car loans we are giving 36 months, and for new car loans it is just 5 years, 60 months, right? Have you seen for two-wheeler loans? Okay, tell me for two-wheeler, what is the period for two-wheeler generally? Two-wheeler loans are given for what? Two-wheeler loans. Type in the comment section. Two-wheeler loans are given for what period? Which period are the two-wheeler loans given? Yes, everyone? Two-wheeler, scooter, bikes. Okay, it is 3 years, correct? 36 EMI. Scooter, bike, two-wheeler, anything, it is 3 years. Okay, 36 EMI. Next one. Before going ahead, everyone here, to join the Adda 24/7 Telegram channel. Here we are having a separate officers Adda 24/7 Telegram channel. To join this Telegram channel, scan this QR code. Okay, scan the QR code over here, and to join the YouTube channel, scan this QR code. Okay, scan it fast. So why should you join this channel? Tell me, why should you join? The reason is all the latest updates from IIBF. Understand this, from the latest updates from IIBF regarding JIIB and CIB, they are updated on the channels immediately. Okay, number one. Number two, you get free YouTube series. Right now, what are you watching? You guys are watching the same free YouTube series. So the same free YouTube series, you get it on this channel also. Okay, so that's why join this Telegram or the YouTube or the third channel. There is an Instagram channel also. So join that Instagram also. Okay. Next one. In case of personal loans, banks have the following type of security. So for personal loans, what do we take as a security? Personal. Okay, PL. For personal loans, what type of security do we take? Mortgage of property. Charge on future income. No security. Any of the above at the discretion of the bank. So tell me, do I take the mortgage of property for a personal loan? Property is taken for which loan? Property is taken for which loan? Yes. See here, property is taken for, it's not taken for home loan. In home loan, we create the property. That is called as prime security. When we take the property as a security, we take it as a collateral. Which property? If it's an existing property, this one. Okay. So mortgage of property is not taken even on home loans. Home loans, we take the mortgage on the new property to be built. Prime security. On collateral security, we don't take it for home loans, right? This mortgage of property is taken for commercial loans. For personal loans, it's not at all there. Charge on future income, that is also not there. See, some banks do go for this. They have a system in nationalized banks, some nationalized banks, that you will require the this company to give you this in writing, that they'll deduct the EMI from their salary and pass it on to you. But these things are gone now. Nobody does anything. Okay. So charge on the future income, that is also not done. No security, that is the answer. In personal loans, there is no security. PL is given merely nowadays on the basis of the CIBIL score. Merely on the basis of CIBIL score only. Okay, so that's why in case of personal loans, no security is taken. Okay, next one. The credit risk is higher in case of which of the following types of loans? Credit risk. Credit risk means what? Firstly, you need to understand credit risk. Credit risk means the default risk. Default risk means the borrower not paying you. Suppose if I give a loan to you and if you don't pay, then I'll be in trouble. So that is known as credit risk. So the credit risk is higher in case of which type of the loans? Personal loans, home loans, vehicle loans, and all of the above. Yes. In which type of risk, in which type of loan the credit risk is higher? Everyone. Let's see one by one. In home loans, I am having the home, right? The home which I take as a prime security. I have that as a security. Suppose if this buyer or borrower does not pay me, then what will happen? I'll mortgage. The home is mortgaged to me. I'll sell that loan and get my money back. In case of vehicle loans, the vehicle is Yeah, tell me one thing. What is this vehicle done? It is mortgaged, hypothecated, or assigned? Tell me that. In vehicle loans, is the vehicle mortgaged, hypothecated, or assigned? What is it done? Type in the comment section, everyone. Is the vehicle mortgaged, hypothecated, or assigned? Everyone, yes, it is. It is hypothecated. Vehicle is always hypothecated. Okay. Home loans, home is always mortgaged. Okay, mortgaged. Got it? This gold loan, gold is always pledged. Okay. Then FDOD, FD is leaned. Okay, leaned. Then leaned. Got it? Chalo, let's move on. The delinquency rate is higher in case of which type of loans? So where is the delinquency means what? Failure, default. The default rate is higher in which type of loans? Personal, home loan, vehicle loan, and all of the above. Which type of loans will you find this default rate as higher? Yeah. Personal, home loan, vehicle loan, and all of the above. Where the person will be least concerned, borrower, where the borrower will be least concerned or least worried about the loans, in which of them? Borrower will be least worried in which of these loans? Is it in personal loan, home loan, vehicle? In home loan, the borrower will be afraid. If the borrower doesn't pay the EMI, bank will, this property is mortgaged to the bank will sell off that property. Vehicle loan also, the borrower will be afraid that if he or she does not pay the EMI, the bank will sell off the vehicle. But in personal loans, there is no security. So the borrower will be least afraid. So therefore, the delinquency rate or the failure rate of the personal loans is much, much higher. Okay. And to counter this, what do? To counter this, we always follow the CIBIL score. The person with the higher CIBIL score, there are less chances. See here, I am saying chances. It's not that the person will not default. There are less chances that the person will default in case of personal loans if with a higher CIBIL score. Okay. So that's why in personal loans, we take the help of CIBIL, or nowadays not only CIBIL, there are 3 to 4 agencies. One is CIBIL, second is Equifax, third is TransUnion, right? Dun & Bradstreet. So there are various agencies. Got it? Now everyone, before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app. In this app, you will be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests, everything. Whatever we need, you will be getting it over here. Okay? So download it immediately and start studying. Because when are the exams? Not in 1 month now. Not by 1 month. Not in 15 days now. Right? So start studying immediately. Okay? So immediately download it. And how to download it? just go on App Store, okay, this Play Store, and download it. Immediately it's available. Type Adda 24/7 app. Okay. Next one. Personal loans are generally sanctioned on the basis of salary in case of the employee, number of years in business, annual income of the business. So personal loans are sanctioned generally on the basis of what? Yeah. Salary in case of employee, number of years in business, and annual income of the business. So is it A to C all, or is it A and B only, or is it B and C only? So what is it? What is it? It is sanctioned on the basis of everyone. Sanctioned on the basis of personal loans are sanctioned on the basis of salary in case of employee. Is it on the basis of only salary, or is it on the basis of number of years for businessmen? Here, for salaried employee, it's very easy. Just see the salary slip form 16 and you'll get the details of that customer, right? But business person, there's a problem. Why? Because the balance sheets have to be checked. You have to check the condition of the business. You have to check the place of the business. So personal loans to businessmen are always difficult. Okay. Annual income in case of businesses, that is also a point. So if I am giving a loan to any person, now not only this number of years in business, so B and C will be checked in case of business person, but in case of employee also nowadays we check how many years in salary in business, or I'll write it here job also, job. Okay, because both the things are important. Even the salaried employee, if the person is of temporary nature, the job is of temporary nature, then what? So that's why A, B and C all. So A to C all is the answer. Okay. So the answer is personal loans are generally sanctioned on the basis of all the three, A to C, salary, number of years and annual income. Got it? Next one. The amount, now you might be seeing these numbers 251, 250, where is it? That's why I'm saying join the paid classes. There I have shared all these question banks and I'll share it. Even the revision batches are coming out. There also I'll be sharing these revision batches. Okay, so join them immediately. Okay, so the amount of personal loans is classified as big ticket personal loan, small ticket personal loan. Small ticket personal loan for this purpose is a loan where the amount is, so small ticket PL, where the amount is what? Up to 10,000, up to 20,000, up to 25,000 and up to 50,000. After that, everyone, comment section. I've taken this earlier. Second one is correct. Yes, safety. Correct. Third one, yes, belongingness, social, anything. Social or belongingness, one and the same thing. Fourth, esteem. Right? And fifth one, which is the last stage, everyone, which is the last stage of Maslow's hierarchy? Which is the last stage? Everyone, yes? Self-actualization, correct. Actualization. Okay? This is the last stage of Maslow's hierarchy. Okay? Sure, this is divided as per the income level generally of the human being. If you are having lowest income, then you are in the physiological level. Means generally day-to-day bread earners. Okay? Earn today, eat today, over. Then this person goes for some saving, safety, some insurance, slight insurance, social. This person goes for some car, okay, means mid-size car, not a high-end car. This person esteem goes for this higher level car, flat also, bigger flat. This is the actualization person, means roughly retired, okay, at the age of 60 or something, okay. So that person doesn't need any of these remaining products now. Okay, so that's why. Coming back here, keep this in mind. We are having many questions on this. I won't be repeating it again and again. This, okay. To meet the physiological needs of the customers, bank offers which of the following product? Physiological, huh? BSBA means basic savings bank account, personal accident insurance cover, consumer loans, and low cost housing loans, and all of the above. So which is the one? Sure, as per your book, now the answer can be any of these. Huh? These can be A, B, BSBA. It is given to this lower earning guys. Basic savings Jan Dhan account. So that is given, right? Low cost housing scheme, that is also given. See this D is also given, A is also given nowadays. Personal accident, this is also available now. Personal accident at the lowest premium. Okay, so this and consumer loans are also given nowadays. So answer is E, all of the above. Okay, see here, some of the books write this answer as only BSBA, none of the remaining ones, but it's not so now. This category has been targeted specifically after this Jan Dhan account schemes and that insurance schemes by the government. So this category has been targeted by many of the financiers now. So that's why it is E, all of the above. Which of the following business approach for retail banking is followed in new private sector banks? Here, business approach, segmented, geography based, classification based, and mix of segment and classification. So which is the one followed? Private sector banks, huh? Private sector. Private sector always follows mix of segment and classification based. Okay, segment and classification. What do you mean by this? Segment means it depends on the customers. Here, if I am having NRI customer, some branches do have NRI customers, only NRI customers. Some branches do have only Kisan customers, farmers. Okay, so accordingly, some branches do have only businessmen, SMEs or MSME we call it, MSMEs. So depending on that, that branch is classified as per the customer base. Okay, segmented. Second is classification based. Classification means this is rural branch, this is urban branch, semi-urban, so and so forth, so on and so forth names. Okay, so this mix of segment classification is followed. Okay, tax planning, insurance, mutual fund provided products are required by the customers to meet their, see here, these three, to meet their physiological, security, safety, social, and esteem needs. Now go back to this hierarchy which I have given. So tax planning, insurance, mutual fund, these are given, these are done by, for which level of the customers? Mutual fund, insurance, these are for security, safety, social, esteem. Tax planning, huh? Is it E? I'll give you one more option. E is B, C, and D. So is the option E? Correct. The option is E. Okay. B, C, and D both. Physiological needs, these insurance and mutual fund are not sold. Okay. Which of the following constitutes the basic structure of retail banking as per the recent trends? Basic structure means what do you sell basically? Retail assets only. Retail assets and liabilities. Liabilities and third party. Retail asset, retail liability, third party, all of them. So which of them forms the basic structure? Everyone fast. Yeah. It is retail asset. All of these, retail asset, liability, and third party. Okay. Nowadays you are selling all, isn't it? You sell this asset means loans, liability means deposit, and third party means all that insurance, mutual fund, right? Everyone download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting the premium study material, plus live classes, ebooks, tests. What all we require for clearing JIB and CIB, we get it over here. So immediately, what do we need? We need ebooks, we need tests, we need the live classes. So that's it. You are having everything over here. Okay. To satisfy the security or safety needs of the customers, bank offers which of the following products? So security and safety needs, as per the Maslow's hierarchy. Again, go back to Maslow. Okay, first question. So what all products are offered? Security and safety, second level. Now see this: physiological, safety, security, then esteem and actualization. Right? To satisfy this security and safety, second and third level now. RD, FD, mutual fund, housing loans and car loans. RD, FD, mutual fund, housing loan, car loans, tax planning and insurance. RD, FD, tax planning, insurance, mutual fund products, personal loan, consumer loan, housing loan, car loans. So which is offered for security and safety? This security or safety? In fact, it is not the social one, only this one. This security and safety only. This is the only one. Okay. So this is the one we are targeting. For safety need, this person won't go for car basically because this person is just above this physiological level. So all the remaining three A, B, and D are having car loans. So car loan can't be the option. So that is out. So answer will be C. Okay. The following have become the generic features in the savings bank account in the recent years. Generic features. Generic means common. So what? That is generic feature. So what? Means I am giving ATM card. So what? I am giving debit card. So what? Credit card. So what? Multi-city checks. So what? So A and B only, A and B only, A, B and D, A to D all. All have become a generic features nowadays, isn't it? There's nothing new in this. Everyone knows, every customer knows these all products now. ATM, debit, credit and multi-city. Nowadays the ATM cards are gone actually. They are now nowhere in the system now. Everywhere is debit card now. What is the difference between ATM and debit card? What is the difference? This and this. What is the difference between these two? ATM and debit card. Debit card can be used for purchasing also online. ATM card can't be used for purchasing. It is just for withdrawal of cash. Okay, that's the difference. So that is gone now. Who uses? No bank gives ATM card nowadays. Every bank gives debit card, isn't it? Got it clear? Are you getting this, everyone? Is it clear? So shall I move on? Yeah, chalo, move on. Next. Which of the following banking products are not meant to meet the social needs? Social needs and not meant. Social needs, again, see this. This should be by heart, by you. Physiological, safety, social, third level now. Social, esteem, and actualization, right? So this, now we are talking of the social needs. Okay. Which of the following banking products are not meant for social needs? Loan to professionals such as doctors, lawyers, basic savings bank account, consumer and personal loans, car loans and home loans. So which is not there for social needs? Social needs is quite a rich person. Okay, upper middle class. So why does this customer need BSBA account? This is for Jandan. This is for physiological, right? This will be given over here. So that's why this is the answer, BSBA, right? To increase the earning potential of a savings bank balances and current account balances, banks offer which of the following? So, what do you mean by earning potential of savings banks? Here, the more the customer keeps the MAB, monthly average balance, in this savings and current, the more is the earning for the bank, right? Because it's a floating money, free money, actually, isn't it? So, banks will offer more products so that the customer keeps more savings and current account balances, okay? So SWIFT facilities, add-on group life, add-on group health, and all of them. Obviously, answer is what? Quite obvious. Answer is all of the above, isn't it? Everything bank will do nowadays for increasing the savings and current account balances, CASA balances. Products such as retail gold coins, health policies, unit-linked insurance product, insurance cover are tagged to the housing and the car loans. Is a requirement of dash needs. Tagged means what? What are we discussing over here? Tagging means what? Suppose if I am giving you a housing loan or a car loan. So what will I say? Buy this housing loan and car loan from me and get this free. What free? Get this gold coin free. Gold coin. Okay. Get what? This ULIP, unit linked insurance policy free. Okay. So this is the tagging. Means I'll give this free on buying this product. So which need is this required for? Self-actualization, esteem, security, social, only B, C and D. Remember, self-actualization is a senior person above all these categories. So this person does not need all this tagging and everything. It's only esteem, social and security and social. So answer is E. Okay. Everyone, this join Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. For joining this channel, see here, either on YouTube, or you can get the same on LinkedIn, or you can get the same on Instagram. You can join all the three. All the three social media are important nowadays. So join it on LinkedIn, join it on YouTube, join it on Instagram. Scan these QR codes. Scan this one for LinkedIn, this black one for this YouTube, and this Instagram, this QR code. Why should you join these channels? Because you are getting free YouTube series on this YouTube channel. Plus on other channels you are getting Instagram and LinkedIn. You are getting what? You are getting free tests. You are getting free questions. Okay, various updates, various classes. Okay, so that's why join them ASAP. Okay, share it with your friends also. Which of the following defines retail banking? Defines the banking service that is geared primarily towards individual customers. The banking that deals with lending money to the individual consumer. So lending money to the individual. So that is also right, rather than corporates. And that part of the banking that is meant for small account holders. Here, small account holders. Okay, see here, time is limited now. We have to cover these things in 20-25 minutes. We are having many other questions. Answer fast. So what is this? 1, 2, and 3. All of them? Yes, it is 1, 2, and 3. C. Correct answer is C. I have written the answer over here. Okay. For esteem needs in Maslow's hierarchy, the banks offer the following products. Esteem means rich, guys. See this top one. Top one is actualization. Below that is esteem, right? For this rich guy, what do the banks offer? Special term deposit products, term insurance products, housing loans, and house improvement loans. So which of them are offered to this rich guy? A to C all, A and B only, B and C only, A and C only. So it is A to C all. Okay. Next one. Which of the following is the characteristics of the retail banking? See here, which are characteristic of retail banking? The banking service that provided target individual customers. So individual customers that are focused on mass market segment. So that is also okay. That is focused on large corporates. Is large corporates the focus of retail banking? First, yes. Is it 1, 2, and 3 all of them, or is it only 1 and 2 only? So the answer is B, 1 and 2 only. Large corporates are not the focus of retail banking. Pensioner loans, retirement loans in banking and pension plans, in insurance and senior citizen term products are offered by the banks for the customers to satisfy their dash needs. Now look at this. This is the fifth category. Actualization means above 60. Pension. Okay, retired person. So retired person will be focusing on what? Pensioner loans, retirement solutions, pension plans, right? This retired person will be focusing on these products. So what will be the answer for this? Self-actualization, esteem, security, social. What is the answer? A, B, C, or D? Answer is A, correct? Yeah. See here, in the classes, the revision batch for RBWM, I am sharing this question bank with you. This question bank is having around more than 700, 600, 700 questions with explanations. Here I have given only questions and answers, okay? And I am giving you the explanations. But in the question bank, you have this question, answer, correct answer, and explanation as well given there. Okay, so that's why I would suggest join this revision batch. I'll come to this. How to join it, I'll tell you at the end. Which of the following is not a feature of retail banking? Not. Okay, these are provided by branches as well as virtual banking channels. So these are provided. True. We want false. Okay, false. They can be extended only to amounts in very small in size. This is something dicey. Okay, let me see this. These can be offered by both for both liability and asset products. That is also true. Means what do we sell? We sell deposit as well as loans, right? All of them. These can be extended to small businesses also. Small businesses. Okay, so that is also true. So these are all true. Which one is the dicey one? This very small size. So very small amounts. Is this the answer? No. Why? Because retail banking, nowadays you purchase a housing loan. Okay. Minimum housing loan in metro cities is what? What is the house? Cost of the house in metros. 1 BHK flat, 2 BHK flat and 1 BHK flat in Mumbai and Delhi, main Delhi. They go for around what? 1.5, 2 crores? 2 BHK flats, right? 2 crores. So if I give even 75% of that, so is this a very small size? No, this is false. So the answer is B, because we want not a feature, we want false only, correct? There are certain customer expectations about the service quality of the bank, which include tangibility, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy. So what do the customers expect from the bank? All of them, correct? A to D, what is empathy? A to E all. E to E all of them, okay? The advantages of retail banking include higher interest spread, risk spread over large client base, strong customer loyalty, high volatility in demand of the retail products. A to D all, A to C only, A and B, A, B and C, only B and C. Many of you are going wrong over here. See here, I am saying in the comment section. See here, the answer is not A to D all. The answer is A to C only. Because high volatility is not a characteristic of retail banking. High volatility means this year my savings accounts were around, let's say, 1 lakh savings accounts. Next year they are 20,000 only. This is known as high volatility. It's never like this in retail banking. This changes by hardly 5%, 10%, not more than that. Okay. The customers expect the bank to be willing to help them and provide prompt service. This falls under the which of the following categories? Here, prompt service. This falls under reliability, responsiveness, assurance, empathy. Prompt, fast service. So that is responsiveness. Okay. The retail banking suffers from which of the following constraints? So disadvantage, which is a disadvantage, and we want to select the wrong one, which is not the disadvantage over here. Okay, that's what we have to select. The problem in managing large number of customers, yes, this is true, right? Large number of customers. Quick evolution of products that lead to IT complications. Yes, quick evolution, that is also true. True. Availability of high spreads. So spreads, there are high spreads, right? So that is also true. Level of irregularity in these loans is very high. This is false. Irregularity means NPS. More NPS. Retail banking has less NPAs. Always remember, NPAs are less in retail. Because why? The risk is spread. So the answer is this. We want wrong one. Chalo, let's start with the questions. We will be solving the MCQs over here. Let's start. So first question. As per the RBI guideline, generally the loan to value ratio in case of home loans is. So what is the home loan ratio of loan to means loan to value? What is this loan to value ratio? It means what? Suppose if my house which I am purchasing house, okay, if that house is for let's say 50 lakhs, okay, so how much loan can be given by the bank? Will the bank give complete 50 lakhs or will the bank give around 75%? Or will the bank give 80% or 90% or 100%? So how much loan will be given by the bank? So that is known as loan to value ratio. So is it 90, 80, 75 or depending on the value of the loan? What is the answer? Type fast in the comment section. Everyone type fast. Let me see. Yes. What is it? Yeah, it is correct. See this. Correct. Depending on the loan value. Depending on the value, bank has to take their own call. Okay. RBI has given certain guidelines. Okay. Up to 30 lakhs, you can give up to 90%. 30 to 75 lakhs, you can give up to 85%. Above 75 lakhs, you can give up to 75%. So, but again, RBI has said that although these are the guidelines, but these are not the compartments, tight compartments. You have to decide on your own. So depending on the loan value is the right answer. The loan to value ratio, if the home loan is up to dash, can be 90%. So up to 90%, up to what percentage can I give the home loan? What amount can I give the home loan? Just now I gave you. So in this case, it will be loan to value ratio in case of loans up to dash can be 90% as per RBI guidelines. As per RBI guidelines, it is 25 lakhs. Okay, because the RBI says up to 30 lakhs you can give 90%. Okay, got it clear? Everyone, now to join our this Telegram channel or YouTube channel or the Instagram channel, you can scan this QR code. Just pause this video and scan the QR code right now. In this Telegram channel or this YouTube channel or this Instagram channel, you'll get all the updates from JIB for JIB and CIB from IIPF, number one. Plus, you are getting free YouTube series, free questions on all the channels. Okay, right now what I'm watching, you're watching free YouTube series, right? Similarly, all the YouTube series free for various subjects. You get it on this YouTube channel. Okay, so you can get it over here. The links you can get it in the Telegram channel. The same you can get it in this Instagram channel. So scan this. See this QR code. This blue one is for Telegram. This is for this YouTube, and this is for Instagram. So join all the three channels. I would suggest subscribe to this channel on YouTube. Click on the bell icon. Share it with your friends, because very important. See, sharing is caring. Okay. In retail banking, the dash is the beginning point of the marketing process. So, which is the beginning point? Beginning point in the sense, suppose if I'm having good relationships with you, means I am the banker. Okay, I'm having two good relationships with you. We both are dealing with each other every day. Now the problem is, you require the loan, or let's say you require a loan against securities. Okay, but my bank doesn't have that loan against securities. Okay, let me give you this. Write it over here. Here, you are the customer. I am the bank. Okay, and you are the customer, and you require LAS. Okay, LAS is one of the important products. LAS, loan against securities. So bank is to provide LAS to you. You are having many shares with you, and those shares you want to keep collateral with you. See, the shares are kept collateral with the bank, and the bank gives the loan on these shares. Okay, but if I don't have this loan, then is it of any use myself and yourself maintaining good relationship with each other? Ultimately, what you'll say, sir, you'll come once or twice to me that, sir, I require this loan, and 2 times I'll say I'm speaking to my head office whether we can give it, and I don't give it. So what will happen? You'll ultimately run to the next bank, B2, right? Another bank you'll go to. Why? Because I'm not having that product. So in retail banking, the dash is the beginning point of the marketing process. Product development, product selling, product and a customer. So which is the beginning point? Just now I gave you the hint. Yeah, which is the beginning point? If I don't have the product, will you stay with me? Let it be myself, be very good service, everything is good given by me. Will you stay with me? No, right? So that's why product is the beginning point of all your marketing process. Product. Okay. The disbursement of home loans is in which of the following manner? Oh, disbursement of home loans is in which of the following manner? How do you disburse? Tell me, do you disburse the home loan in cash? Have you disbursed any home loan in cash up till now? Cash. Take this notes, 500 rupees notes. Okay, take this note. 2000 now not possible. 500 rupees. Take these notes. So, the disbursement of home loans is in which of the following manner? A loan is disbursed in one installment only when the house is ready for occupation. Here, one installment when it is ready for occupation means if I am buying the second-hand flat, isn't it? If I am buying the second-hand flat, then the house is ready for the occupation, right? So at that time, will the home loan be disbursed in single installment? Entire loan is disbursed before construction begins. Is it so? Before construction begins. Means somebody comes to you for home loan and that person says, sir, I want a home loan. Sir, ma'am, whatever. Okay. I want a home loan. So in that case, will you say that, okay, take this full loan? You will give as per the phases of the construction, right? So Entire home loan is disbursed in before the construction begins. Okay. Loan is disbursed in stages based on the progress in the construction. So disbursed in stages. Okay. Then any of the above at the discretion of the bank. Any of the above at the discretion means here C is also correct. Here A is correct. Why? Because if it is a second hand flat or ready for occupation and then I come to you, you'll give it in single installment only. So this C is also correct. Loan is disbursed in stages based on the progress of the construction, right? If for plinth level 10%, 10% for plinth. Then walls, first floor is done, again 15%, right? Second floor is done again, and so on and so forth, right? So this is known as stages, construction payment at the stages of construction. So A and C are correct. But what about B? Entire loan is disbursed before the construction begins. This is not possible. Otherwise, there will be a huge problem to the bank. So the answer is any of the above. Just I'll say any of the, I'll change the answer. Any of the above A or C. C, A or C. Okay. Any of the above, that is A or C. Or just I'll make it A or C only. Okay. So D is A or C. So that is the right answer. A or C. Loan is disbursed in single installment when you have a ready flat, and loan is disbursed in terms of construction phases when you have the flat under construction, isn't it? To add on or and the other value the add-on and the other value propositions are attached to the product with a view to. So why am I adding this add-on facilities? What do you mean by add-on facilities? Add-on means like this. You buy the home loan. You get a home loan from my bank. Home loan. Okay, home loan. And what do I give you? I'll give you insurance free. Insurance free. What is this? This is an add-on. Insurance free I'll give you. Okay. Or I'll give you gold coin. Insurance free or gold coin. Win a gold coin and get a home loan from us. So these are all add-ons. Why are these add-ons used? To sell the product, to make the product more competitive, to offer better value and acceptance, and all of the above. What do you think? To sell the product, or is it A, B or C? Anyone in between, or is it D? All of them. Is it A, B or C, or all of them? What do you say? Yes? See, the problem with us is we try to make the choices in between. Sell the product. No. Which is the better answer? This is the better answer. All of the above. Ultimately, what is the goal of yours when you sit in the bank? Selling the product. That is important. Make the product more competitive means what the competition is giving, you are giving extra. So that is also true. Offer better value. Value means what? If customer gets at the same rate, customer is getting something extra, then the customer is getting value, right? So this is also true. So the correct answer is D, all of the above. Isn't it? Got it, everyone? Remember, nowadays, today's world is a world of add-ons. Okay? You'll see so many add-ons. You buy a car today. Okay? You buy a car and you'll get what? You buy a car and what do you get? Along with this car, you get 3 years maintenance free. Maintenance, right? Maintenance free means what? This is all add-on, right? After sales, maintenance free. Then many things are there in your bank also. Nowadays banks are giving you open a savings account with us and we will give you health insurance free. Health for 1 year, health insurance free, right? For 1 year. So these are all add-ons. Okay. In which of the following cases home loan will be disbursed in one go? One go. When one go means single installment. When will I give this home loan in one installment? Just now we saw it. Let's see the options now. Construction of the house, purchase of a new house, purchase and renovation of a new house, purchase of an old flat requiring renovation. So in which will I give the home loan? In one go. Construction of a house, will I give it one go? Construction of a house means again the same thing. Foundation 10%. Then the plinth 10%, like that. It will go on and on. Walls at first floor, second floor. So this is not the answer. Purchase of a new house. But new house means what? Let me make it certain changes. Under construction. Constructions. Okay, now it is simple for you. Under construction, because it is a clarity now. So even that is again the same logic. 10%, 10%. Purchase and renovation of a new house. Renovation, you can't give the home loan. Renovation loans are separate. Home loans here. Home loan is only given for purchase of a new house. Purchase of a house. Okay. Purchase. For renovation we have separate home improvement loans. Right. In renovation, we have home improvement loans. Improvement I'll call it. Okay. We have various names are given by various banks. Okay. But these are all home improvement loans. The rate of interest of these are different than the home loan. Okay. So this is also out. So this is out, and D is the answer. Purchase of a old flat, right? Purchase of a old flat, I'll definitely give it in a single go. Renovation means what? Renovation will be done later. First, I'll give a home loan to this person, and then second, I'll give this renovation loan. So home loan will be disbursed in one go over here, isn't it? Simple. Always remember, whenever you are purchasing a second-hand flat, you will always disburse it in the single go. Whenever you are purchasing a new flat under construction, so it will be disbursed as per the construction phases, right? Everyone, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests. Whatever we require for clearing JAIIB and CIB, we will get it over here. What do you require? I'll say whatever we require. What do you require for clearing CIB or JIB over here? You require number one, classes. So we have online classes over here, right? Classes. We have online classes. Second, you require books. So ebooks are available. Okay. Third, you require to check your confidence level. You require tests. So tests are available. So whatever is required, you get it over here. Download it right now. Okay. And start studying. Don't waste your time. There are various stages from time the product is developed to the stage when the product is finished. This is called as, see here, product is developed to product is finished. So this is called as what? Okay, I'll show you. See, this is a separate topic as such. This is known as PLC, product life cycle. Okay. This is known as the introduction phase, intro. This is known as a growth phase, growth. This is known as a maturity phase, mature, M. And this is known as a decline phase, decline. So these are the 4 life stages of any product. And this entire cycle is known as product stages, product life cycle, and any of the above. So this entire cycle is known as PLC, product life cycle. Okay. Remember, introduction phase is when you introduce a new product. You are giving new products to the customers. Growth phase means the product starts growing. People start accepting this product. And then the revenue generate money. This is again sales. Look at this. This is sales. And this is time. Okay, time. As the time goes, sales go on increasing. Then there comes the maturity phase. Here the sales are maximum. Okay. And company is getting huge benefits. But after that comes the decline stage. Why? Because new products arrive in the market. Competitors take on the competition. So you go in decline phase. Okay. So there are various stages from time to time the product is developed to the stage when the product is finished. This is called as PLC, product life cycle, isn't it? The following are the product life cycle stages. Just now I gave you introduction, maturity, decline, and growth. So what is the answer now? Everyone must be able to answer this now. A to D all, A to C all, B and D only, A, C and D only. Comment section, everyone. Give fast the answer. Everyone, give fast the answer. Give fast, yes. Just now I gave you all the 4, right? See this. Introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. Okay. So introduction, maturity, decline and growth. It should be in the serial order. In exam they can ask you anything. But definitely one or two questions on PLC will be there. I give you in writing. Two questions on PLC will be there. Okay? Definitely. Normally a moratorium period in case of home loans is dash in case of construction of a house. Let me see. How many of you are answering? Let me see, yeah. First, what is moratorium period? Tell me that. Moratorium period means what? What is moratorium? See here, moratorium period is a period and when the house is under construction. Is the house completed? No. So if the house is under construction, the customer won't be paying the complete EMI. The customer will be paying only interest and no EMI. Only interest. Here, normal loan, I'll give you normal loan. Okay. It will have EMI. EMI will have what? EMI has two parts. Principal and plus interest, right? Whereas this moratorium period, okay, I'll just write morat now. Okay, it will have only interest. No principal is repaid. Okay. So moratorium period, because what happens, the house is not completed, the customer has not occupied that house, right? So normally the moratorium period in case of home loans is dash 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months. Which is the one? It is 18 months. Always remember, it is 18 months. Okay, normally all the banks give the moratorium period of 18 months. In case of purchase of new house or a flat, the moratorium period is generally now new house or a flat. Here, new purchase of a new house or a flat, not new house. Let me make it old house. Okay, because new house under construction, it is 18 months. Old house or a flat, the moratorium period is generally what this. So what is the moratorium period in this? Let me make the change over here. 0 months. Old house or a flat. If I'm buying a second-hand flat, then the moratorium period is for second-hand flat. There is no moratorium period, 0, because the flat is already ready, right? So that's why there is no moratorium period. The answer is 0 months. No moratorium is allowed on the second-hand flats. Okay. What is the logic of moratorium? Moratorium is for under construction, when the construction is going on. Now second-hand flat is already constructed. What is the construction remaining in that? Nothing. Okay. Credit score is now authentic and final information of the credit decision. For the credit decision. Preliminary information for managing risk. Indicative tool for managing risk. Suggestion to take a credit decision. So what is it? Who can give me the answer now? Credit score is what? Authentic and final information. Final. Is it a final information? Final means what? If I am having a credit score of 800, you should give me the loan. Is it that final? No. It depends on the bank. Bank wants to give, bank will give, otherwise it won't. So this is not a final decision. Preliminary, basic information. This is also not a basic information. Preliminary means very basic. It gives you complete knowledge of that customer. Indicative rule. Yeah, that is a point. Indicative tool is the answer. It will indicate. Okay. Suggestion. It is not a suggestion. It can't suggest you that do this or do that. No. It is just giving the report. That's my report. If you want to give it, you give it. Otherwise, you don't give it. It is an indicative tool of managing the risk. Okay. The higher the score, the lesser is the risk on that customer. Okay. A credit score can help a bank to reduce defaults, eliminate risk, faster loan disbursement, improve operational efficiency, and to bring down the cost. Now think, what is the answer? Very simple one, isn't it? Very simple one. Yeah. What do you say, guys? To reduce the operational efficiency? Is it all of them? How many of you think all of them? A to E all. How many of you think? Type in the comment section. Reduce defaults. Here, defaults are reduced because why? If somebody is having a higher score, that person will definitely mean there are less chances that the person will default. Eliminate the risk. Higher the score, lesser is the risk. Faster loan disbursement. So obviously, if I get a ready-made score, I know that customer is a better customer. Improve the operational efficiencies, right? Faster loan disbursement and bring down the cost. Obviously, cost is also reduced. So answer is A to E all. Okay. So that's why, see here, these are the important MCQs we are carrying out in this series. We are doing in this series. So everyone follow the series completely. The moratorium period. Now the numbers you will see, the numbers we have been covering it since many days as such. That's why these numbers are continued. Okay. That's why I'm saying watch the series till from the starting. The moratorium period in case of personal loans is, so in case of personal loans, what is the moratorium period? PL. What do you think is should be the moratorium period in terms of personal loan? It is always 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 6 months. Personal loan. Personal loan means how many of you have worked in loans? How many of you have worked in loans? Just type yes in the comment section. Loan section. Those who have worked in the loan section, they'll understand it. That for PLs, we don't give any moratorium period. No moratorium period. Then where's the answer? No moratorium period. When the answer has no moratorium period over here, what are you actually saying? You're saying 1 month moratorium period. Why? Because after the disbursement, it takes 1 month for the person borrower to pay the EMI, isn't it? So that's why personal loans will have one month moratorium period. Okay, got it? 1 month moratorium period. Next one. Personal loans are repayable in a period of, yeah, they are repayable in the period of what? What do you say, guys? 12 months, 24 months, 36 months, 48 months. Generally, I'm talking of generally. Now, there can be any bank can give the personal loans for 5 years also. Maximum loans allowed for the banks are 10 years, right? So, some bank can say that, okay, I'll give it for 10 years. That's not an issue. But generally, 90% banks, how long do they give this PLs? They give the PLs for, what do you say, guys? They give the PLs for 36 months. Okay, 36 months. Always remember, PLs are always given generally for 3 years. Okay. Do we take any security on personal loans? Type in the comment section. Do we take any security? Is it compulsory for us to take any security for the personal loans? What do you say? Is it compulsory? No, not at all compulsory. Okay. You can just give the personal loan like that only without any security. Some banks do ask for some FD, some bike, some car, something as a collateral, but that depends on bank to bank and depends on that score of that customer, credit score. Okay. Chalo, next one. For repayment of personal loans, banks obtain dash for payment on the due date. So what do the banks obtain? Payment on the due date, huh? Due date. On the due date, the customer should pay. Means every month we have that EMI date, right? So for that date, what do the banks take? Authority letter to debit a deposit account, FDR as a security for the loan, post-dated checks, and any of the above. I know all of you will get confused over here between A and C now, because B, everyone knows B is not something which is taken for the due date point. Okay, FDR is taken as a security. That security has nothing to do with payment on the due date. All of you will get confused between A and C, because you feel both of them are right. A is also right, C is also right. So what does the bank take now? Now I am talking in this present age of computers, internet, UPI, everywhere. What do we take? Do we take these PDCs now? How many of you do take PDCs now from the customer? Type yes in the comment section if you take PDCs. 3 PDFs we take up till now for that Negotiable Instruments Act. But for the regular repayment, 12 PDCs, 36 PDCs, do we take it? Gone. All those days are gone now. Directly authority letter, that also we call it SI now, right? Standing instruction. Authority letter means SI. So we take SI only. That is the only point, isn't it? Because nowadays all these things are gone. PDCs and all these things, everything gone. Okay? Next one. The disbursement of a personal loan is generally in one go, in the period of 1 or 2 months, in installments, any of the above at the bank's discretion. So personal loan is disbursed how? In one go, or one go means what? Single installment means singly. Suppose if you want a loan of for 5 lakhs, I'll give you 5 lakhs immediately. Or will I give it in 2 months, 1 or 2 months? Oh, this month 1 lakh, next month 1 lakh. In installments, every month I'll be giving you 50,000. Do I give it like this at the bank's discretion? How does the bank generally give this loan? It's always given at A, in one go. Personal loans are always given in one go. Okay. Now you'll say, sir, personal loans one go, that's okay. See, the question over here is generally how is it given? 90% every year. See, it's after all at the discretion of the bank. Bank can sometimes tell you that, okay, 1 month, this month I'm giving you this much, next month I'll be giving you whenever you require it. But generally what happens? Personal loan is for what? Personal loan is for the personal requirements. And for that, the human being or that customer has applied, right? So if the customer has applied for some urgent work, that person is needed exactly the full amount for that urgent work. So that's why it's always disbursed in one go. Okay. Next one. One second. The term demographic dividend is used in Indian context with reference to demographic dividend. What do you mean by this word dividend? Dividend means basically advantage. So demographic advantage to India is in what terms now? Who can tell me? Demographic dividend is in India is for what terms? Advantage of largest number of qualified persons. Qualified. Do we have too many qualified persons? Advantage of highest number of young persons. Do we have young persons? Advantage of highest number of software development firms. Do we have that? Advantage of all of the above. All of the above. What do you think is the answer? Yeah? Type fast in the comment section. Qualified, young or software. It is B. Highest number of young people. That is the right answer. Advantage of highest number of young people. That is the correct answer. Because India has a high demographic dividend of young persons. Do you know which country is aging now? Aging. Aging means all of them are getting old. Japan, correct. Japan is aging. Second, China is coming up in the same line. China is also aging now. Okay, so that is the biggest disadvantage to these countries. Next one. For education loans, bank takes the following. So banks take what? Banks follow policy prescribed by Ministry of HRD, policy details formulated by RBI, model education loan scheme by IBA, the own policy framed by them without taking into account any instruction from RBI or government of or IBA. What is the answer? Means education loan, which policy is forward? This policy is given by a certain institution. Which is that institution? That is the right question over here. HRD, Ministry of HRD, RBI, IBA, or their own. Forget everything RBI, forget this government. I'll do whatever I want. Is it that D? What is the answer, everyone? What is the answer? It is IBA. Remember this. For education loans, banks follow the model education loan scheme of IBA. IBA has devised this scheme. Okay. everyone, before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests, whatever we require for clearing JIB and CIB. You'll get it over here. So that's why download it right now. Okay. Don't just download it. Otherwise, I'll tell you how many apps. Okay, let me ask you one question. In your own mobile, how many apps do you have? Do you know the number at least? How many number of apps you have? Type yes or no. I know many of the answers are no over here because I myself don't know how many apps are there in my mobile. We just download it and keep it, saying that oh we'll use it sometime. Don't do that. This is the main bread and butter. Daily, it's like breathing in and breathing out. That much important this app is for you. Download it and use it. In this app, Adda 24/7 app, you will be getting premium study materials, everything that is there, free tests, free ebooks. Some part of the ebooks are given free. Free lectures are also given. So whatever is free, grab it, download it immediately. Okay. Next one, move on. So for education loan is available generally to which of the following? School students, professional and other college students, only university level students, and any of the above. So whom is the education loan available now? Who gets the education loan? Let me see. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Who gets the education loan? School students. Now, have you seen any schools getting the education loan? I think so. Within some years, they'll also require it because the school fees are so huge now, isn't it? Look at the primary school fees in the private schools. They are around 2, and in metro cities, they are around 4 to 5 lakhs. Metros. Many of you might be staying in metros, you might be seeing those private school fees. In tier 2 cities, they are around 1.5 lakhs. So the right answer for this is what? This is this professional and college students, other college students. Okay. So education loan is given to these guys, professional and other college students. Only university level student, that's not the right answer. Okay. It can be to professionals also. Means CAs, they are also given the education loan. Okay. In case of education loans, who is made a co-borrower? See, your education loan is given to whom? Tell me first. It is always given to that student. Actually, the borrower is that student. But what happens? The student is not earning at that time. That's why we don't give that person, that student, that much, that amount. We take some co-borrower. So whom do we take the co-borrower? The college where the student takes the admission. My God. College where the student takes the admission. This college will go bankrupt. There are 1200, let's say 1000 students in any college, suppose. College becomes the co-borrower to these students. College will go bankrupt, right? So that is out. Family member of the members of the borrower, the parents of the borrower, friends and relatives of the borrower. Near and dear ones. See this, B, C and D. All of them are similar answers. But what is the correct answer then? Correct answer is this, parents. Parents of the borrower means this student. Parents of the student are taken as the co-borrowers. Always remember this. But remember, generally what happens, the parents are taken as co-borrower. But what is the logic of this education loan? Suppose if I take the education loan, I am the student, let's say. Okay. So I'm going for, let's say, engineering. So in engineering, first year means I'll take the admission. And then when will I repay the loan and who will repay the loan? Suppose if my parents are taken as a co-borrower. Okay. Then what is expected from that loan? Who should repay that loan? Should the parents repay it or should the student repay it? What is thing, guys? What is expected from that loan? It is expected that the student should complete the course and repay the loan by joining the job or doing some business, anything. So that is the logic behind it. Student should repay. But what happens? We take parents as a co-borrower. Why? Because if the student doesn't get a job immediately, if the student fails, then what? The loan is to be repaid in any case. So that repayment will be done by this co-borrower as a parents. Okay. The amount of education loans is restricted to dash for studies in India. So in India, what is the maximum amount of education loan? 5 lakh, 7.5 lakh, 10 lakh, 20 lakhs. Now this is a simple answer. Yeah. What is the answer over here? Education loans in India. In India. Immediately I'll be asking you abroad also. Next question is abroad. So this is what is the answer over here. It is 10 lakhs. Education loans in India are restricted to 10 lakhs. Okay. Similarly, next one. See here, before going ahead, see here. Join the Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, now how to join it first? I'll give you 2 points over here. Firstly, why should you join it? Second is how should you join it? Okay. Firstly, if you want to join this Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel, why should you join it? You should join it because there are number one, free YouTube series on all the subjects of JIB and CIB. Free. Okay. So join it ASAP. Whatever is free, grab it fast. In YouTube series, you are seeing similar. See here, what are you watching right now? Right now, you are watching the free YouTube series. This 2000 question series, right? Similarly, you get it for all the subjects of JIB as well as for CIB. So that's why you should join it fast and freely grab it, isn't it? Second one, how do you join this? Scan this QR code. See this QR code given over here. Scan it. Firstly, is this blue QR code is for your Telegram channel. Secondly, this QR code black one is for your YouTube channel. Scan it immediately. Okay. Thirdly, this is the next Instagram QR code. Let me show you. So this Instagram QR code. So scan this also. You'll get it over here. Instagram QR code. Okay. Are you able to see this? Let me see. Yeah, you're able to see this. So this Instagram QR code also. Scan it immediately. Even the links are available below in the description box also. You can join through that also. Okay. Join it immediately because I've told you why is it important to join. Got it? Next one. The amount of education loan is restricted to rupees dash for studies abroad. Just now I told you 10 lakhs was for India. So abroad will be what? It will be lesser, 7.5 lakhs. It will be 5 lakhs. Or will it be 10 lakhs? If India I am giving it, within India I am giving it for 10 lakhs. Abroad will be definitely higher, isn't it? Logical. So the answer will be 20 lakhs over here, isn't it? Answer is 20 lakhs. Got it? Next one. For education loans up to 4 lakhs, which of the following type of security is available? 4 lakhs, loan up to 4 lakhs, education loan. What is the security taken? Parents are co-borrowers. Parents are co-borrowers plus third party. Okay. So parents are co-borrowers plus third party. Third party guarantor. Third party guarantor means someone else. Some known person as a guarantor. Then parents as co-borrowers plus charge on tangible assets like property, house. Give you a house as a collateral for 4 lakhs. Is it? Parents and as co-borrowers plus all of these now. Charge on tangible plus third party, all of this. So D is what? Basically all of this. So for 4 lakhs, what will the bank take? Remember, 4 lakhs is not a big amount now for banking. Okay. Earlier, few years back, 20-25 years back, it was a big amount. Now nothing. Just parents as co-borrowers and loan is disbursed up to 4 lakhs. Okay. Nowadays, loans are disbursed up to 10 lakhs based on CIBIL, just CIBIL, no documentation, zero documentation only based on CIBIL. So, in which world are we? Right? Next one. For loans above 4 lakhs and up to 7.5 lakhs, banks insist on what? Suppose above 4 lakhs. Just now we saw up to 4 lakhs, only parents. So 4 to 7 is what? This co-borrowers plus third party guarantor. third party guarantor, then co-borrowers plus parents as co-borrowers plus the house tangible assets. Then D is all of the above again. So what is the right answer over here? 4 to 7.5 lakhs. For 4 to 7.5 lakhs, it is B, third party guarantor. Only this much. Parents plus third party. That also banks have required it. That's why RBI doesn't say anything about this now. Okay. Means now the restrictions are removed for all. Banks have to take their own risks. Okay. So now I'll urge everyone to join the Adda 24/7 for 24 exam of your JIB. Okay, JIB CIB 24, JIB 24, because you have already completed yesterday RBWM. So next exam is in May. Okay, so join the batch for May. How to join it? See here. I will always suggest you to go through the app. In the app you get coin systems, and in the coin systems you get 1% extra. Go to Adda 24/7, look at the JIB and CIB. Adda 24/7, click on JIB and CIB. Click on JIB May 24. Okay. Now May 24 you will see the batches. Sankalpa batch. Click on this Sankalpa batch. English. You will see the batches. The details of the batch. All the details are given. Expert faculties, interactive classes, recorded videos, limited size batch. And importantly, look at this. Fees 80% off. Right now the offer is going on for 80% off. JAIIB code. Use this code. You get ebooks, test series, online classes. Look at these ebooks. Click on these ebooks. You will get subject wise ebooks. Click on each subject. You will get chapter wise ebooks. Isn't it? So you are getting it to the details of the chapters. Similarly for test also. Test series. So join it immediately. Even I would suggest, as you have much time now, you can join this Mahapack. Okay, Mahapack. In this Mahapack, look at the JIB CIB Mahapack. Okay, you can join the Mahapack also. In the Mahapack, you get, see here, in the Mahapack you get multiple batches, number one, plus you get ebooks, videos, test series, etc. If you buy it for 6 months here, double validity is going on right now. You buy for 6 months, you get for 12 months. You buy for 12 months, you get it for 24 months. So join immediately. Okay. Bye from my side. I'll be back tomorrow with another series.